Why do you want it?
Is the peanut butter in there?
Yeah.
Why? Take it out.
No.
Are you serious?
Yes.
Give me the peanut butter.
Stop.
Allison told me it was in there. Give me the peanut butter.
What? How does she know?
You cannot have a whole jar of peanut butter. I made a peanut butter jelly sandwich this morning. I might want another one.
There's a whole. Mom brought in a whole other.
Then where did you get that one?
It was in there. She brought it.
So when she was looking for the peanut butter this morning to make herself a peanut butter and jelly sandwich, it was in your backpack and you didn't say anything?
There's another one at the garage. Laurel, please. Come on. Laurel.
Let me see the size of it. Just take it out.
Laurel, it's not a big one.
Let me see it.
No.
Why? Let me see it. I won't take it from you. I want to see the size of it because if it's tiny, it's okay.
Well, it's not.
How did she know? What, do you just eat it with your fingers?
Well, I ate it with my fingers on the bus because I didn't have a spoon.
Let me see it. Are you serious?
Yeah, I'm serious. I love peanut butter. I ate like a third of the jar. Wait, that's not
Are
a
you
third.
serious?
What is that? That's
There's
like
a Peter Pan peanut butter alert. They're recalling it.
If there's a perfume that smells like peanut butter, I'll wear it.
I just want to know how she